Here's some other advice I would give some A players out there. If you're an A player, I would try and take a position or be in a position of a company where you have physical access to your headquarters. Because I'm finding now that the people that are gravitating towards leadership positions are the people that show up at the office. The guys and gals who are thinking to themselves, man, well, just working remotely is great, man. I'm getting up, working in my pajamas. I'm getting all my work done. And they are. A lot of people are actually more productive remotely. But the problem is you're not putting yourself in leadership positions.
I agree.
So the people that are actually, maybe not every day, but are going in a couple of times a week, pressing the flesh with the CEO, CFO, conducting meetings, performing leadership activities. Those are the people that if you're an A player, that's where you want to position yourself, because that's how you're going to get to the top now.
I agree.
There's a lot of people out there sitting on the sidelines.
I agree. Where do you learn the most stuff? I mean, you learn the most stuff around the water cooler, coffee pot. You bounce some ideas around. It's hard to, look, Slack is a great tool, but it's hard to communicate on Slack. It's hard to, you can't, people can't see emotions on the screen.
Yeah.
People can't see emotion in an email. The emotion of the email takes on the tone that they feel, as they're reading it. Either it could be a very benign message and they get all, but I agree with you. If you want to be a leader, you got to show up as a leader. You can't be absentee, doing it from, Mr. Zelenskyy over in Ukraine. I need ammunition, not a ride. I'm not going to go to Poland. I'm not going to go to Poland and lead my country from afar. I'll just go right there in the middle of it and be with them. Right.
That's a great example. That's a great leadership example. Yeah.
Like, hey, look, I'm going to go put on a flak jacket and a helmet and pick up a weapon, and we're going to go defend this country together. I'm going to go lead it. If I get killed, I get killed. But that's leadership. Sometimes, leaders get killed sometimes. I mean, it's just the way it is, but you got to show up.